In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion integration within Make, allowing you to seamlessly connect your Make workflows with your Notion databases for powerful automation. This is a fantastic way to bridge the gap between these two incredibly useful tools, letting you trigger actions in Make based on changes happening in your Notion workspace. Think instant updates, automated data entry, and entirely new ways to streamline your productivity. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Step 1. Create a Notion integration. Open Notion in a web browser. You'll likely be working within the desktop app or the web interface. Either will work. Click Settings and Members in the sidebar. This is where you manage your entire Notion workspace, and accessing this area is the first step to connecting Make. Select Connections and click Develop or Manage Integrations. This section is specifically designed for developers and users seeking to integrate Make with other applications, giving you granular control over how Make interacts with your data. Click New Integration, name it. I suggest something descriptive like Make Connection, and submit. This creates a unique link that Make will use to communicate with your Notion workspace. Go to the Capabilities tab. Here you define exactly what Make is allowed to do within your Notion database. Check Read Content, Update Content, Insert Content, and Read User Information. These options grant Make permission to read data from, modify data in, and potentially interact with user information within your Notion database, always ensuring data security and control. Click Save, then copy the generated internal integration secret. This secret is crucial. It's like a key that allows Make to authenticate itself with your Notion account. Treat it like a password and keep it confidential. Step 2. Grant access to your Notion database. Navigate to the specific Notion page or database you want to automate. You'll need to pinpoint the exact database that's triggering your desired workflow within Make. Click the 3 dots DEX in the top right corner. This reveals a menu of actions you can take within Notion, often overlooked but containing essential options for customization and integration. Hover over Add Connections. This is where you formally invite Make to access your Notion database. Search for your newly created integration and click Confirm. Make will then ask you to confirm the connection and grant the necessary permissions. Copy the database ID from your browser URL. It's the string of numbers and letters after your workspace name or Notion. So /and before the question mark. V =. Don't worry if you don't understand immediately. It's a unique identifier that uniquely identifies your Notion database. A helpful tip is to simply highlight and copy the entire URL. It contains everything you need. Step 3. Connect Notion to Make. Log into your Make account. Now that you've created the integration and granted access, you're ready to bridge the gap between the two platforms. Navigate to the Scenarios tab and click Create a New Scenario. This is where you design the automated workflows that will leverage the connection you just established. Click the ++ button, search for Notion, and select it. This adds Notion as a component within your scenario, unlocking its capabilities within the Make environment. Choose a module depending on your workflow goals. Triggers. Choose Watch Database Items to act when data changes in your Notion database. This is what initiates the entire process. Actions. Choose Create a Database Item or Update a Database Item. These options define what Make will do when the trigger is activated. For example, creating a new item in Notion or updating an existing one. Click Add next to the connection dropdown. Selecting Notion Internal as the connection type confirms that you're using the integration we just created. Paste your internal integration secret into the token field and click Save. This finalizes the connection, establishing a secure communication channel between Make and your Notion workspace. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Now to recap, you've successfully created a Notion integration within Make, granting Make the ability to interact with your Notion databases and configuring it to watch for changes in your data. By automating your workflows, you can drastically reduce manual effort, improve data consistency, and unlock entirely new productivity possibilities. Ultimately, this connection allows you to react to changes in your Notion workspace in real time, giving you a powerful tool for data synchronization. As a next step, I recommend experimenting with different trigger and action combinations to truly understand the versatility of this integration. You could, for example, set up Make to automatically create a task in Notion when a new item is added to a database, or update a field in Notion based on a change in Make. Be sure to save this video for future reference whenever you need to revisit this process. You can always find it here to quickly jump back into the steps.